If your child or student ever said, "Hey ChatGPT, help me do my homework," this video is for you. Hi, I'm Mr. Fred from GetMeCoding.com, and over the past year, I've worked on AI projects with my college students, and something really important came from those conversations that I want to share with you, especially if you're a teacher or a parent. Tip number 1, protect their privacy. Teach kids never to share personal info. Think of AI like a robot stranger. It doesn't need to know their name or their school. Tip number 2, question the answers. Sometimes you'll hear AI's mistakes referred to as hallucinations. But AI does make mistakes. Encourage kids to double check info with books or teachers or even trusted websites. Tip number 3, don't rely on it too much. It's okay to ask for help. But kids should try first. Let AI give hints, not full answers. Tip number 4, use it ethically. No cheating. Teach kids to learn from AI, not copy it. Ask AI to explain, not do the work for them. Tip number 5, choose kid-safe tools. Use platforms like Scratch AI, Teachable Machine, or MakeCode. But realize not all AI tools are made with kids in mind. Tip number 6, teach kids about bias. Explain that AI learns from the internet. And sometimes that includes bad or one-sided info. Tip number 7, encourage creativity. Let AI spark ideas, but encourage kids to make it their own. AI is a co-pilot and not the captain. And tip 8, explain how AI works. Show them that AI doesn't think, it predicts. Ask the same question twice and then compare the answers so you could prove that point. So there you go. Those are 8 simple tips that you could teach your student or your child to use AI safely. As a bonus tip, if you're already using AI, talk about it. It'll help raise awareness and build confidence. So share your experiences with each other. If you found this video helpful, please share it with some others that you might also feel that it would help. And be sure to subscribe to the GetMeCoding.com channel right here. Also, if you're looking for more information or how to reach out to me, check out GetMeCoding.com and be sure to also visit the blog where I have some other information and downloadables. And as always, I'm here to help guide you along on your tech journey.